Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing show and tell test video. Today we're looking over the ANCEL. This is AD410 Pro. This is an OB scanner, and this will show you if you have any trouble codes or if you have any vehicle issues. You just plug it in to your OB port. Let's go ahead and pull everything out, show you guys what you get. Now this is a 2-in-1 unit, so this will be able to use your battery for testing. Now you can test your battery to make sure you have a good battery. And to do that, you just simply plug this in here, connect your positive to positive, negative to negative, and that will test your battery. If you want to use it with your vehicle, your port, plug this into your OB port. That's normally around your driver's side knees, somewhere in that area. They give you a manual and a power cable. Power cable is only used if you need to update this or connect it to a computer. You'll get your power from your OB port. It has a nice silicone protector, nice skin. Let's test it out. Okay guys, once you plug in your OB plug, it's going to be somewhere around your driver's side leg. For us, it's to the left. Sometimes it's in the center. You guys can see it right there. But we have it connected. I do wish they added a longer cable. The cable, to me, in my personal opinion, is not long enough. So if you're over here, it kind of wants to pull from you. So you kind of have to have your door open a little bit for the best results. But we can see we got IM readiness. It goes through the whole system and checks everything out for you. IM readiness is basically a good way to check to make sure everything's good for inspection. Now you do want to have your key to the on position before you start. So turn your key to the on position. It doesn't have to be running, just to the on position before you do the IM readiness. And now we can see here, as it checked our system, it tells you what stuff is. And then we can exit. We got OBD2 port reading. So this will read your whole system, and then it'll tell you what code you have, read codes. So we have no fault codes, which is great. You can erase codes, IM readiness, data stream, freeze frame, O2 test, onboard monitoring, which you want your vehicle running if you do that. Test or component vehicle information. And then we also have over there the IM readiness, the review, the DTC lookup, and battery. But overall, nice little handheld. I just wish the cable was longer.